I'm here to show how the head reaction of the oxidation enzymes from organic material can be reduced by the addition of acids, like an acidic solution. A classical example be an apple versus lemon juice. How the lemon juice is able to preserve the apple side, which is covered with, versus the one without lemon juice. We'll see how the browning of the fruit effect appears. I have my
is your brother.
lab over here set up. Here we have the lemon juice, the apple, the equipment I used, and we're ready to cut the apple. And Rafael, which is very diligent here, watching my lab being done, also helping with constructive criticism as to whenever I have to cut or repeat the video, because I messed up what I'm saying.
He's going downstairs.
So we're gonna start by cutting the apple. And I'm gonna ask Rafael to hold the camera. Can you hold the camera like this?
Yes.
Please. No, don't block the view. Just this hand. Just use this hand. Like that. Got it?
Yes.
The apple was cut. We got both sides. We're gonna cover this side of the apple with the lemon juice.
Hey. Round and round and round and go. Keep
And now we're gonna cut another slice. Can you hold the camera again? The other hand.
Yes.
This one. There you go. Over here, you gotta show what I'm doing. Good job. So this side of the apple is not gonna be covered with the lemon juice. So you're just gonna leave it to the side. And we'll go back in a few minutes and we're gonna see how one is still gonna look like that and the other one, which is beginning to decompose already, will not. As a matter of fact, the actual apple itself is beginning to show some brown effects. Before I go back to the experiment, one thing is that the plants, they release the substance, the enzyme itself, that causes the brown effect of fruits, also the brown effect of some of the plants that you see, or whatever pigmentation that you may see whenever a plant gets cut, pretty much. And the reason is trying to camouflage itself to make it look bad to possible eaters or animals, herbivores that will be around the forest. And the reason is because it's trying to heal itself. And what happens is that substance also carries some antibacterial enzymes, and ultimately will help heal the plants. It's kind of like when we as human beings get cut or something, we have the little clogged up blood that lodges on the skin while the skin is healing. That keeps as a temporary cover for whenever we recover the part of the skin that was lacerated or otherwise cut. And now we're gonna go back to see how the experiment is going. Gabriel, Rafael's trying to blow the candle. And as you can see, the apple covered with lemon juice is still nice looking, while the other piece is now very brown. So as you can see, this part over here is very oxidized, while this one is being delayed because of the acidic reaction. Basically, the acid solution is forcing the oxygen to interact with it before it interacts with the enzyme of the fruit. That will be what's happening over here. And that's pretty much where our experiment ends. It was nice talking to you. And Rafael decided to point out how much more brown it is now, so you can really see the difference between the two, the one that's covered with acid and the one that is not. So this is pretty much where the experiment will truly end. I will not make any additions, and I'll see you next time.
Bye-bye.